Mga kaibigan, welcome back. Napakainit ang pag-uusapan natin. Naluto po tayo sa SEA Games sa boxing at susunod na ang basketball ng Gilas. Aminado dyan ang Indonesian legend at may mga binulgar po siya na dapat nyong malaman. Simulan po natin ang mabilis sa cooking show sa SEA Games sa boxing. Napakainit ng cooking ng host dito base sa mga nababasa ko na reports at comments ng mga kababayan natin na nanood ng games. Mga kaibigan, dismayado rin si Ricky Vargas at Secretary in Boxing natin na si Manalo about nga sa unfairness at controversial judging in boxing dito sa Thailand. So ngayon mga kaibigan, punta na po tayo in basketball. Bukas na po ang laban ng Gilas dito sa Indonesia na kapag nanalo tayo, finals na ang mga kalaban natin ay ang malamang yung host na Thailand. Pero bago ko po sabihin ang mga cooking tactics na nagawa na at gagawin pa ng host sa Gilas, pakinggan nyo po muna ng mabilis ang sinabi ng former Indonesian starting point guard na si Mario Wuisang sa predictions niya kung sino ang mag-gold dito.
Who you got, man? Thailand or the Philippines?
For me, my prediction, if you were to ask me, man, I would put my money on either Thailand or the Philippines for gold.
You gotta pick one, man. You gotta pick one.
I'm gonna go with Thailand, bro. You said Philippines. My prediction. I think Thailand. I think Thailand will control the boards, and I think they got good enough guard play to withstand Philippines. Elite guard play.
But by next weekend, we'll know who the champion is. So I got the Philippines. I'm rocking with the Philippines, and
I wouldn't be surprised. I'm gonna just put this on record. I wouldn't be surprised if the Philippines win gold, but I think Thailand has a big chance of winning gold.
yeah, Thailand cheap, man. They doing something. They got on top of. They doing something shady. Yo,
That's the crazy thing about SEA Games.
Yeah,
That's the crazy thing about SEA Games.
They broke down the Philippines bus, man. Sabotaged the bus.
I believe it, bro.
They sabotaged the bus. Had the players stranded, man. Couldn't get to practice or nothing. Out there looking crazy.
I believe it.
I saw a video. They was like, "Yo, they got us already. Day one."
Hey, let me.
So ang prediction po ng Indonesian legend, Philippines or Thailand ang makaka-gold medal. Pero tingin niya, malaki ang tsansa na Thailand yung maka-gold. At naniniwala din siya mga kaibigan na nasabotahe ang Gilas dun sa bus mga kaibigan. So ito na po mga kaibigan, yung cooking ng Thailand, hindi pa po kasama dito yung mismong mangyayari pa sa games kapag nakaharap natin sila. So ito ngayon ang mga lumabas, post ni Carlo Pamintuan after ng game ng Gilas sa Vietnam. Sabi daw po ng organizer sa Thailand, wala na daw pong FIBA live stats ang remaining games. Bakit ganon? Elimination round meron sila, pag semis to finals wala na. Ano ang ayaw nilang ipakita o ang itatago nila? At bukod pa mga kaibigan sa ginigipit nila yung rules sa lineup ng Gilas at Sirang Boss, may binulgar pa po si Wuisang na isa pa pong patunay na luto ang Gilas.
One of the Indonesian players, he's an African naturalized to an Indonesian when he was 16. And he's on the roster. So he's a last
so he was naturalized. Naturalized. Not like
he's naturalized.
not like
he has
a local.
He has no Indonesian blood. He has no Indonesian blood. He's a naturalized player. So it was last minute that the Thailand organization basically told him he can play. He's qualified to play.
Okay.
Yeah. So he's a 6'6" naturalized player.
So in short po, pinayagan po ng host na Thailand na may naturalize ang Indonesia, si Dame Diagne, pati na po ang ibang bansa kagaya ng Vietnam na nakalaban natin. Last minute, pinayagan nila yung naturalize nila na makalaro, si Chris Dicker. At yan mga kaibigan ay napakalinaw ng cooking show kasi hindi nila pinayagan na naturalize sa Gilas, Pilipinas. Kaya masasabi ko dito, napakabigat po na laban natin dito sa SEA Games, lalo na kung makakapasok tayo sa finals, kalaban po natin yung host. Pero bago yan mga kaibigan, bukas kailangan muna po natin talunin ang bigger team na Indonesia sa semis. Mapapalaban po talaga tayo dyan sa Indonesia kasi may size ang team na yan, may naturalize pa, pero nakikita ko mga kaibigan yung big advantage ng Gilas sa kanila ay yung fatigue factor. Back-to-back games po ang Indonesia kasi today may laban po sila sa Vietnam tapos bukas laban nila sa Gilas. So fresh legs ang Gilas, 2 games na pahinga, maganda bilisan nila ang laro at sana pumasok yung mga tres natin.